Student, in this exercise, we will do question based on Euclid's division lemma and Euclid's division algorithm. So see the first question. Use Euclid's division algorithm to find the HCF of first 135 and 225. And second part is 196 and 38,220. स्टूडेंट, मैंने आपको इस तरह के एग्जाम्पल ऑलरेडी कराए हैं, तो हम अब इसका HCF निकालते हैं. सो सिंस 225 is greater than 135, so apply division lemma to 225 and 135. Take 225 को हम क्या लेंगे, डिविडेंड, and 135 लेसर को डिवाइजर. We get 225 can be written as equal to 135 into 1 plus 90, because 1 is quotient and 90 is remainder here. Since remainder 90 is not equal to 0, so apply division lemma to new dividend, that is 135, and new divisor 90. We get 135 equal to 90 into 1 plus 45. Again, remainder 45 is not equal to 0, so apply division lemma to 90 and 45. So here 90 is dividend and 45 is divisor. We get 90 can be written as 90 is equal to 45 into 2 plus 0. Here 45 into 2 is 90 and plus 0 remainder. So remainder is equal to 0 and divisor at this stage is 45. So HCF of 225 and 135 is 45. So now see the second part. In second part, the student number are 38,220 and 196. Since 38,220 is greater than 196, so our dividend is 38,220 and divisor is 196. So apply division lemma to 38,220 and 196. We get 38,220 is equal to 196 into 195. स्टूडेंट, जब हम डिवाइड करा हमने 38,220 को 196 से, तो ये कंप्लीटली डिविजिबल हो गया. कितने से? 195 इसका क्वोशिएंट आया. एंड रिमाइंडर इज इक्वल टू 0. सिंस रिमाइंडर इज इक्वल टू 0 and divisor at this stage is 196. So HCF of 38,220 and 196 is 196. So question is completed.